Hello YouTube! In this video we will replace the tailgate strut on an Audi. Let's dive right into it. First, open the tailgate and use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the clip from the upper part of the strut. With the clip removed, the strut can be simply pulled off. It is advised to have someone help you hold the tailgate up, but usually it stays up with just one strut attached. Next, repeat the procedure on the bottom part of the strut. You can see here how the old strut has become corroded over the years. With the strut removed, prepare the new strut for mounting. Similar to removing the old strut, pry the clips out, but do not fully remove them. Just enough so that the clip does not protrude into the strut groove, allowing it to seat nicely on the car body plug. When you have both clips ready, without covering the hole on the strut, gently press both ends in and engage the clips. If it doesn't seat nicely with minor force, recheck the clip and try again. With this done, repeat the procedure on the other side, and that's it. Please comment if you needed to do this on your Audi A4 too. As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.